Kia ora, ko Nikau tōku ingoa, he uri ahau no te hokianga whakapau karakia, ko Ngāpuhi ko Te Rarawa o ku iwi, ko Ngāpuhi and Te Wahine rangatira, he ringa toi ahau. So when you enter this show, you go into te kore, and then you go into te pō, and then you ka puta ki te ao Mārama. And so it means that you get to physically experience our creation story and the wairua of that. It's a very spiritual experience walking through this show. Some of these works were made in the 60s and some of them were made in 2020, and I think the messages that they were speaking about in the 60s are still relevant today. Like Paramatchit's piece, you know, that could have been painted yesterday. I love Ralph's work, I love all of the works that he has in this show, but one of his more quiet pieces is the one that says, "Rangi is my ancestor and money is your ancestor." And this talks to me about the difference between Western worship and Māori worship, which is to worship and to pay tribute and honour the environmental elements of this physical world. And that, even though it's a little piece in the show, but it's very powerful. It's beautiful for people from Aotearoa to experience and to see and to gain insight into all of the joys and the struggles of being Māori. Whatever your reading is of this show, it just contributes to broadening your experience of this whenua.